Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for traditional Irish shepherd's pie. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we take a medium sized saucepan, we pop it onto a medium heat, we spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. To that then we're going to add some chopped onion and some crushed garlic. We'll let those sweat off for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our minced lamb. Just break it up, let it cook for 5 or 6 minutes just until it starts to brown. So now that our lamb is brown, we're going to add some diced carrots and some frozen peas. Give that a stir around. We'll cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes, just until the vegetables are starting to soften. Then we'll add a tablespoon of flour. Again, cook that around for 2 minutes, just until the flour flavour disappears. Then we're going to season liberally with some salt and black pepper. Now we're going to add our liquids. So we'll just put in a couple of dashes of Worcestershire sauce, a nice full bodied red wine, and some beef stock. Again, we'll give that a stir around. We'll turn the low heat down to a simmer, and we'll let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel, and it means I can make further videos for you. So as you can see, our sauce is thickened up. Our shepherd's pie is now ready to be built. So just go over and we'll take an oven proof dish, and to that we'll add our minced mixture. Now I've just made some creamy mashed potatoes. I'll leave a link in the description box below of how to make them. And we'll take these and we'll spread these over the top of the minced mixture. Just flatten that down, and then we're going to top it with some grated cheddar cheese. So we'll sprinkle the cheese evenly over the top, just make sure it's all covered, and then we'll take it over to a preheated oven, which is 200 degrees centigrade or 180 degrees fan. We'll pop it in and we'll let it cook for about 30 minutes. So now that our mince is fully warmed up and our potatoes are cooked, we'll just take it and we'll pop it under a preheated grill, and we'll let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, just until the cheese melts. So as you can see, our shepherd's pie is fully cooked, the cheese is melted and gone all crusty. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.